All right, y'all. We are here in Crossville, Tennessee at the 127 sale. We're going to yard sale today for about 3-4 hours on our way through to Cherokee, North Carolina. So, you know, we're driving through. We said we got to get in at least a few hours of yard selling. So this is a church, our first stop. We've shopped here for about 3 years in a row. Louisville Slugger home run, baby. Is that just some clothes? $10, but that's porcelain. I don't do porcelain. Here's some golf clothes. $10. Top Flight. Tailor Made. Nope. $10. 4 to $10. I definitely grabbed this Tailor Made here. I don't see a price on it, so I don't know which price it is. Tommy Armours. I don't want Tommy Armour. Let's see. Nine Degree Warbird, which is a pretty good club. Looks like they want 40 for this whole thing. Yeah, I did not want that. Stay. All right. Oh, a dog toy. I think Roscoe would like that. It's a Kong thing. Blue jean jacket.
Levi Strauss is $5.
For the grandbaby?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. We may sell it. You want me to get the $3 dog toy? I don't know, for $3. You think he would? Yeah, he'll probably like it. Traveling with the dog.
Get something out of the car.
Go. $5. That's a pretty good deal. I've sold these new for like 25. I think 35 for the sidekick. So I don't know about a Black Hawk. That looks cool.
You gotta put purses on that thing back there. And just set these on the table.
I'm gonna grab this Uncle Mike's. That's a good one. Walt Disney. Yeah, no, that is too much.
Oh, okay.
$20 for a train. $5 for a big stick without a. I'm gonna look this one up.
Everywhere you want this heart healthy large. You don't have a price on this.
Gosh, I don't know. That's nice, but yeah, a little much.
I guess that's yours, ain't it? That rug? On what? He just, that was easier for him to do than stick it in for the price. That's why it does. We're on the hour. Every hour it does that.
That's funny.
It's a little different every time, but it does.
Well, I have a PSP at the house that works, that needs some work to it, but I don't know if this case is really going to be good. So. Gosh, that's $5 seems like it would be a good deal. I could at least get 10 to 15 to pair it up with my, if I get my PSP working. Some figures. Yeah.
I got about 20 or 30 at home that I picked out for myself.
Here you.
They're good hats.
They look like they're in good condition.
Oh yeah, they're nice.
That camera got a memory stick in it. Mad Cats battery holder, battery pack. FM tuner. Doesn't actually have a Game Boy Advance in it, but yeah.
What's that, baby? Looks just cat.
Scissors, made in the USA. Kind of rusty. What's that? You gonna buy another Squishmallow?
It's a backpack.
Oh, it's a backpack. Yeah, it's a little different. How much is it?
$4.
$4. Yeah, it looks like it would be. Yeah. Is it clean? Like, you can get it in the light. Make sure there's nothing you can't wash up.
It needs to go in the wash.
Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe a set would be 6. So it's a no-go on that. Camel tin. It's a little much for a little tin. An actual pack of cigarettes. I'm pretty sure you're not really supposed to sell these because they are sealed and are actual cigarettes. Hopefully a kid doesn't pick them up.
Yeah, I'm not. But it is one of the smaller posts.
I think some Hedges ashtray. $3 for ashtray. No chips. I think I'll grab that. Oh man, you find gnomes everywhere.
Let me call
Oh, sorry. Albert Pujols basket web. I thought it was falling apart, but now I notice it's just a little dirty. I can clean that. And it's got a little leather lamination. I'll hold off. This one's missing the, it's supposed to have a wire in it that holds the thermos down. 10 items. So it's got some paint missing. $2. Something's broke.
Oh, okay.
I'll get them.
Camel powered Smoking Joe Racing. Camel stuff seems to do well for me.
How about $20 for the
Excuse me.
Don't tell her. Don't tell. You'll never know. She's not here.
I'll pay for
Alright.
that separately.
No, just
Okay.
don't worry about it.
This is the process for not being. That's right. Whether she has to work or not, she's still not here. I got upset earlier today because she was like, I don't work your woman. I'm like, well, fuck you. You don't want us to work. And you. I don't know. It drives me nuts. Yes, it really does. I have to do this. I have to do it. Are you ready?
Yes,
We're
we're
ready,
both together.
Is it
Yep.
just this?
No,
Get
the
that,
stuff in my hand.
Okay,
that.
and this too?
No, that's not mine.
Okay. Let's do it
This
by
was,
initials here.
I don't know. That said 4 to 10 on the wall, but it doesn't actually have one on it, so
Mike!
I don't know.
Uncle Mike! He's in the shop.
Sorry.
I mean in the house, okay. No, yeah, tell him to come here just a minute. Oh, these are yours too, right? Yes. Okay. Let's get the initials here. That's Connie's.
And these are
That's
fine.
Connie's. This is Tess's. TD.
That's TD. This is TD.
Sam.
Here, you wanna hold
Okay.
that?
That's going to be
Yes.
separate. TD. Okay. Come here and help write these.
Here's your movie. It's finished.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix that shit down.
Okay, ready? Yes, ma'am. Okay, Connie. 31 for Connie.
Okay, who had any questions? Let's go.
5 for
It said 4 to 10 on the wall, but it didn't have an actual price on this one, so
5
Five
for
for that
Sam.
okay.
That's
Sounds
a good deal on the burner.
I agree. Good
And
one.
then, yeah, so yours is 5.
It's right here.
Okay, 9, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 30 for your test.
And then he said 5 for this if
And
you didn't
5
already.
for more for me.
Is that everything?
That's it.
All right. So 31, 41, 71, 76. Am I writing?
76, 31, 41,
What did you?
76, 76.
It's 76.
Thank you. Let us get you wrapped up here.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, no worries.
We got bags, plenty of them.
We got
I
no.
thought the good cloth
We,
bags.
oh no, yeah.
No, you're good.
We got we got a giant bag behind each seat. We're gonna fill it up.
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you ready?
Oh, and then
Is that in, was that in the very back there?
You got
Yeah.
that?
That could have went
should
in
be
that
able to
bag.
get that.
Here we
I
go.
was gonna say, yeah, maybe could have done
Thank you,
that.
guys.
Thank you. You too. All right.
Just ignore the prices on the items. They're all new, but the prices are up there.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.
find you like a pair of sandals or something down there. And get you some winter fluffy boots. So mostly women's clothes and some like non-brand shoes. So, oh, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, not too much at that one.
Oh, that wasn't all
I
him.
have to get this on camera. See our new car magnet there. Putting that to good use.